Stuck trying to add your details to Namecheap business cards? Watch this. I will show you exactly where to click so you get dozens of personalized designs instantly. No more staring at the screen wondering where to start. First, head to the Namecheap business card app. Then we will walk through each field together, step by step. So the first step here is to navigate to the Namecheap website. Specifically, you want to go to their business card app page. I will have the link in the description, but you can also just search for Namecheap business cards and find the app section. That is where all the magic happens. Once you are on that page, look for the button that says, "Tell us a bit about yourself" to get started, and we will give you dozens of business card designs to pick from. Go ahead and click on that. That is the prompt that opens up the form where you actually get to enter everything. Now we start filling things in. And here is something I have learned from walking through this interface a few times. Just take it one field at a time, and it goes very fast. First up is your name. Click into that first highlighted field and type your full name. This is what will appear most prominently on your card, so make sure it is spelled exactly how you want people to see it. Next, add your job title. Click into that second field and type what you do. Whether you are a CEO, a designer, a consultant, or a freelancer, put down the title that makes sense for your professional identity. Then you will see the company name field. Type in your business name here. If you are self-employed, you can put your own name or your brand name. It is completely up to you. Now for your email address. Click into that field and enter the email you want people to use to contact you. I would recommend using a professional email rather than a personal one. It just looks cleaner on a business card. Next up is your phone number. Type in your number with your area code. This is a key piece of contact info, so double check you have the digits right before you move on. Then you will see a field for your website. Enter your full URL. Make sure it includes the .com or whatever your domain extension is. And if you do not have a website, you can skip this one or leave it blank. Now for your physical address. Click into the address field and type in your street address, city, state, and zip code. This one takes a second longer since there is more to type, but take your time and get it accurate. All right, once you have filled in all those details, take a moment to review everything. Scroll up and down and check each field. Make sure your name is spelled right, your email is correct, and your phone number has no typos. When you are happy with it, click the Continue button. And that is it. Now, Namecheap takes all that information you just entered and generates dozens of business card designs for you. You get to see all these options with your details already filled in. It is really satisfying to see it all come together. So now you know exactly how to add your details into the Namecheap business card tool. No more guessing where to click. Just follow these steps and you will have your info in there and a bunch of designs to choose from in no time.